Hello students, today we discuss the fundamental unit of life, means cell, part 2 of class 9. Now we discuss about the cell, the type of cell. In the basis of the developments of the cell, there are two type of cell. One is the prokaryotic cell, another one is the eukaryotic cell. What is the meaning of prokaryotic cell? If the cell is not developed, that means the nucleus is not developed, this type of cell is known as the prokaryotic cell. And if the cell is developed, that means the nucleus is developed, is known as the eukaryotic cell. Developed means the nucleus is bounded by the membranous layer. If it's divided into 4 parts, then it's a developed. And if developed cell, then is known as the eukaryotic cell. If not developed cell, then it's known as the prokaryotic cell. And those organisms, they have the prokaryotic cell known as the prokaryotes, and if the organisms they have the eukaryotic cells is known as the eukaryotes. Prokaryotic cell means the prokaryotes. Bacteria is the examples of the prokaryotes, because there's a prokaryotic cell present. And human beings means the cell of the human beings, there's a eukaryotic cell present, so it's a eukaryotes. Now if we discuss about the cell, there's a outermost layer. If it's a cell, then this one means outermost layer, and this one is known as the innermost part. So outermost layer, there's a 2 layer present. If it's a plant cell, then it's a 2 layer present. If it's an animal cell, then 1 layer present. 2 layer means cell wall and cell membrane. If it's a plant cell, then outermost covering is cell walls and cell membrane. And if it's a animal cell, then cell membrane present. Cell wall is the outermost hard coating which is present on the surface of outside surface, and it's also responsible to give the rigidity, also give the structure of the cell of the plant, is known as the plant cell. And innermost parts means beneath the cell walls, the part is known as the cell membrane. The another name of the cell membrane is plasma membrane or cell surface membrane. And in case of the animal cell, the outermost layer is the cell membrane, the innermost part. So it is the surface membrane. Inside the surface membrane, the total thing is known as the protoplasm. Protoplasm means jelly-like viscous substance is known as the protoplasm. Protoplasm divided into 2 parts. One is the nucleus and another one is the cytoplasm. The central spherical structure is known as the nucleus, and the other part means the other viscous jelly-like substance, inner part, that means the central spherical structure is the nucleus, and the other part rather than the nucleus is known as the cytoplasm. So protoplasm means nucleus plus cytoplasm. Nucleus plus cytoplasm. And cytoplasm divided into 2 parts, the outermost and the innermost part. The outermost part is known as the ectoplasm, means towards the surface membrane or cell membrane is known as the ectoplasm, and towards the nuclear membrane is known as the endoplasm. So cytoplasm 2 parts, endoplasm towards the nucleus and ectoplasm towards the surface membrane. So protoplasm means inside the total part is the protoplasm, protoplasm 2, nucleus and cytoplasm. Nucleus, the spherical structure inside, means center, is known as the nucleus, is also known as the brain of the cell because it controls the total function of the cell, and the outermost, the other substance is known as the, rather than the nucleus, is known as the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm means 2 parts, ectoplasm towards the cell membrane and endoplasm towards the nuclear membrane. Okay, thank you very much.